Want to pin a post on Instagram to let your new followers know what you're all about? Or maybe you're looking to unpin an old one? In this quick video, I'll show you how to do both straight from your iPhone. So let's dive in without any delay. First of all, open up Instagram on your iPhone. Then, tap on your profile picture from the bottom bar. After that, tap the photo you want to pin on your profile from here. Next, tap on the three dots in the upper right corner of the photo and these options will pop up. From here, tap on Pin to your profile and the post will be pinned to your profile. But if you want to unpin a post, just tap on a pinned photo. Then, tap the three-dot icon on the top right corner of it and then select Unpin from your profile from these options. And the post will be unpinned from your Instagram profile. Oh, and you can pin a video post to your Reels just like this. So, that's how you pin and unpin posts on Instagram from your iPhone. If the video was useful, smash that like button. And if you're craving more Instagram tips, smash that subscribe button because we have got a ton in store for you. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you next time.